Hi there guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Shay. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ka magsisimula kay low carb, especially this holiday season, let me share with you today about dyan. So kung excited ka ng malaman, make sure to keep on watching. Hi everyone! Yes, this is just a quick update for our week 1 ng hashtag 30 Days with SJ Challenge. So yes, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, we are having a Vermont edition ng 30 Days with SJ Challenge. This is just for me to share with you guys. Paano nga ba basic low carb way of eating and more. So yan yung gusto kong i-share sa challenge na yan. And for this video, mabilis ko lang i-chika sa inyo kung kumusta naman yung ating week 1. For week 1 guys, sobrang excited akong ikwento pero grabe, dami kong pinagdaanan on a past few weeks na yan ng pangmatindihan. Before we started November 20 ng first day ng hashtag 30 Days with SJ Challenge. Ang daming challenge pagdating sa career, pagdating sa personal issues na mga bagay-bagay, mga revelations. But you know what? Super grateful kasi lahat yon ay nalagpasan ko. And etong week 1 ng challenge natin guys, sobrang laking tulong din sa akin. Especially that day 1. So day 1 guys, nakakatuwa kasi we had the chance with my mommy friend and then kasama ng aking family to go out and enjoy the view habang may bit-bit na kape sa travel. So, nakakatuwa kasi yung place talaga guys from that day 1 is very relaxing. Alam niyo yung talagang parang feeling mo na iwan lahat ng mga stressful na mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo doon sa place na yon. So, pinaka na-enjoy ko talaga is nung makita namin yung clouds guys na as in parang bumaba sa place na yon and super duper saya ng experience. So, napaka-sayang experience na kasama mo yung friends mo, kasama mo yung mga family members mo dyan. And take note, as low as 50 pesos lang yan, pero mag-e-enjoy ka. So, kung isa kang taong budgetarian and mapapatanong ka lagi kung saan mapupunta ang 50 pesos mo or saan makakaabot ang 50 pesos mo, eto na yung place na yan guys. So, hindi siya sponsored kasi again, nagbayad kami dyan nung nagpunta kami ng aking friends and family. Pero super napakaganda talaga ng place guys. So, try kong ilagay dito sa screen kung saan yan. But definitely, day 1, really helps me a lot because what I learned for this first week guys is na madalas ko naman ding binabanggit sa inyo, make sure na if you are going to choose to change your lifestyle is make sure it's something na hindi kayo na-stress and then make sure na it's something na aaralin nyo rin how you manage your stress level. Paano kayo mag-manage ng mga bagay-bagay sa paligid ninyo na hindi kayo nai-stress, 'di ba? So, nakakatuwa kasi I was able to do that and nakatulong talaga tong day 1 na to. So, kung ano yung bit-bit naming food sa aming travel, guys, syempre hindi mawawala yung eggs dyan. Anyway, I had an intermittent fasting before kaming umalis ng madaling araw, no? So, naka-fasting ako for like 16 hours. Tapos, may bit-bit akong egg to break the fast doon sa place na yon. So, in-enjoy lang din talaga namin yung moment na yun, guys. And super duper grateful. So, next na mga days, guys, hindi sobrang perfect ng aking mga foods. Naka-dirty, low carb, madalas ang aking first week. But one thing is ine-enjoy ko lang din siya. Hindi ko nilalagyan ng pressure yung sarili ko to start, 'di ba? Kasi stress na nga tayo dun sa pinagdadaanan natin tapos ipe-pressure pa natin yung sarili natin na, "Uy, kailangan kailangan strict ka na agad dito kasi makakadagdag pa siya ng stress mo." So, lesson learned for the week 1 is 'wag mong masyadong i-strict yung sarili mo kung hindi mo naman talaga kaya at hindi ka masaya na gawin na mag-strict ka agad sa way of eating mo. So, yes, I still started to do my basic na meats, mga eggs, ganyan, and then mga green leafy vegetables when available. But mostly, nandun ako sa mostly na eggs recipe and then sa mga meats or mga fish na recipe lately for this week 1. Pero again, share ko na lang kung ano yung mga food at lalagay ko dito sa screen for the first week. Okay? Second thing na na-realize ko for this first week, guys, is you need to make sure na hindi nyo kina-compare yung sarili ninyo sa ibang tao. So, make sure to focus sa sarili ninyo. You need to make sure to focus sa kung ano yung mga bagay na makokontrol mo, and that is yourself. Okay? So, mas na-appreciate ko talaga yung sarili ko, guys. Especially this first week kasi sobrang nakita ko how strong I am. Sobrang nakita ko how I deal with situations, how I deal with challenges, and nakakatulong kapag alam mo kung papaano i-manage yun. Magkakaroon din kasi ng impact yon when you're doing the lifestyle. So, wag mong ikumpara yung sarili mo sa iba kasi may sarili tayong mga qualities na pwede na talagang special lang para sa atin. So, that's it for the week 1, guys. Hindi ako masyadong intermittent fasting for the week 1. I just enjoy kung ano yung mga food na available sa bahay man yan or kung lumabas kami, it's either magdadala ako or pipili ako ng mga basic foods pa rin outside. So, super thankful and grateful lang din talaga ako for this week 1 because the biggest lesson is to make sure to focus more on yourself, love more yung mga bagay na meron ka, appreciate more, be grateful for, and be grateful talaga para sa sarili mo. So, if you are going to improve your lifestyle para mag-improve ka at hindi para sa iba, yun yung pinakamagandang journey talaga, mga beshi. Tandaan nyo yan, ha? So, that's the first week and super duper damang-dama ko yung energy ko talaga during that first week na super blessed, super grateful. And then, lastly, na talagang kinapitan ko is prayer. So guys, aside from financial, social, emotional aspects of our lives, importanteng kapitan din natin yung prayers, guys. If you think sobrang bagsak ka na, if you think parang wala nang pag-asa yung life mo, meron pa. Basta magdasal ka lang kasi it works talaga. So, sobrang naramdaman ko how yung taas, si universe na nag-guide sa akin to para malagpasan yung mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan. And now, I feel better. I'm choosing to keep going, inspiring people, helping people, and stick with my purpose. For our next video naman, guys, I'm going to share with you, meron ba tayong mga challenges na nahaharap when it comes to doing low carb, especially outside, and especially since it's holiday season, paano nga ba tayo maglo-low carb outside. It's something super exciting na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. So, abangan nyo yan on our next vlog. So, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel and pwedeng-pwede nyo rin akong i-follow sa ating Facebook page, guys, because doon may quick Q&A live tayo every week, mostly every Fridays yan, guys, and that is for free. So, make sure naka-follow and subscribe na kayo dyan. Okay? Now, if ever kayo ay sumasabay sa ating hashtag 30 Days with SJ Challenge, naubusan kayo ng recipes, follow sa page, and then if ever na gusto ninyo na matuto ano yung mga recipes or tips pa na dapat ninyong malaman as a beginner or nagbabalik kay low carb, message sa page, guys, para makakuha kayo ng copy ng ating beginner's ebook. Sobrang laking tulong nun, guys. So, ginawa ko talaga yun especially para sa mga beginners at nagsisimula or nagbabalik kay low carb. So that's the chika for today, guys. I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa week 1 ng ating hashtag 30 Days with SJ Challenge. If ever na gusto nyong sumabay, gusto nyong humabol, please message lang din sa page natin. But I'm so excited to see you guys for the second week chika naman, para sa more chika kung ano na ba yung kaganapan dito sa challenge natin. So, I hope you guys are feeling better right now, doing your lifestyle happy and enjoying. And don't forget palagi to always keep going. See you on my next vlog, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye!